This is Justin with Zenith Pumps. I'm here today to demonstrate just how quick and easy the Zenith PEP polymer extrusion pump goes together. And install the lip seal in the housing, the seal housing on the Rio seal, the front plate in the vise, lock the vise down. Install the Rio seal in the front plate. Got 3 fasteners. Flip the front plate in the housing. Build the seal and bearing, the gear and bearing assembly. Install that in the seal. Install the gear plate, the rear plate, 4 additional fasteners. All right, we have a fully assembled polymer extrusion pump ready for service.